Electronic Throttle Control, etc. Agar Accelerator Pedal Sensor dikhayi rahi high. Ye sensor aksar modern vehicles mine use hota high jahan traditional throttle cable ki bajaye electronic signal car use hota high. Electronic Throttle Control, etc. Sensor wali accelerator pedal assembly code dikhati high. Ye system vehicle key engine control unit, AQ, co-accelerator pedal key position car signal beta high, jisse engine car throttle electronically control hota high. Is tarah key sensors modern cars mine zyada use hote hain jisme, drive-by-wire, technology hoti high. Ye system fuel efficiency Agar engine response co-improve karta high. Agar Accelerator Pedal Sensor Agar Electronic Throttle Control, etc. Kharab jaye. To gari mine kai tarah ki masail samne sakte hain. Accelerator pedal sensor kharab ki nishaan. 1. Gari acceleration nahi leti, pickup cam ho jata high. Jab aap race dete ho lekan gari response nahi kati, ya bohot dear chalti high. 2. Check engine light on ho jata high. Dashboard par warning light gel sakte high, jo kisi sensor fault car signal deti high. 3. Engine limp mode mine chala jata high. AQ safety key liye engine co restricted power mode mine dal dita high, jaye, limp mode, ket hain. 4. Jerking ya hesitation. Jab aap accelerator dabat hain iya gari ruk ki chalti high ya smoothly respond nahi kati. 5. RPM car unstable hona. Idle PRPM fluctuate karta high, ya bina reason key up down hota high. 6. Poor fuel efficiency. Throttle response sahi na hone ki waja shay engine extra fuel consume karta high.